Subscribers of Updates King. On today's video, I'm currently going to show you how I do receive my earnings from Cipher Morse code. But before taking any further step, do well to hit the subscribe bell icon and also give this video a thumbs up whenever I drop interesting video like this, so you won't miss any of my updates. Let's dive in. Hope you see how much I currently have in this my balance. This is not my normal account. This is just teaching account that I created just for this tutorial. To proceed to Cipher dashboard, we currently need to click this end part tab 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Yes guys, hope you see. Today's word is called NFT. We are currently going to search for NFT to be rewarded with this amount coins, guys. Long, shorts, boom, yes. Shorts, long, shorts, yes. Then the T long, boom. Wow, the code is cracked, guys. Hope you see that. Hope you see the balance